What's up? Yeah. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's my limit. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
Alright, gang, so y'all seen that one? The Lambo ride is, like I said, it's a roller coaster. It got my stomach just one quick time, you know what I'm saying? But they was like, all right, Pablo, you done did the supercars. You done did the supercars. Let's see what you got with this. Y'all want to move over there where it's more open? Big Daytona finish on what we do in these streets. Alright, gang, so we done rode the Audi R8, you seen that video. We done rode the Lamborghini Huracan, you seen that video. Now MFD Garage say they want to ride in something that's got a little bit in it, you know what I'm saying? How you doing, sir? Chillin'. You know what I'm saying? Got a little how we like that right there, you know what I'm saying? So they want to take a ride in Big Daytona. We finna go on the hop in Big Daytona, take this thing around the corner, you know what I'm saying? We gonna spin that thing one time, let them know. Can I spin out here? We'll see what happens. I give him one. I'm gonna do one. All right, so. He getting ready. Y'all see him? Y'all ready?
Yeah, let's fix him a short.
It ain't no cold start. I think we'll do a warm start.
Yeah.
She gotta get a little chop with it.
Hey, you got the same problem we got going on. Too much rain here. You wanna keep it so clean.
All right, so now we're hopping in Big Daytona. We ready. I'm gonna scoot back if you want to. Yeah, you up.
I'm good.
All right. Seat belts.
I was gonna say seatbelt for safety, kids.
Always.
Seatbelt for safety.
All right, guys. So since he already used to all the big power with the Lambo and everything, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna even play with something. We just gonna go straight to sport mode.
Ooh, going straight to sport mode.
Straight to sport mode. Just go ahead. I ain't got all the clickety-click buttons in here. One button and it's the go time.
Hey, that's all you need.
Yes, sir.
One button equals party time. What you doing back there, Peyton?
Getting ready.
You got plenty of space?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Pablo keeps his seat like I keep mine in the truck, doesn't he?
Little lean back.
Yeah. You can barely sit behind my seat in the truck.
Let's give y'all one quick one. We out here.
I don't know what happened there. I think your foot got a little heavy for just a second. Man, I think this lights them up quick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Holy crap, that was awesome.
Let's see.
You should have been outside getting that, baby.
I probably should have warmed them up a little bit more, but we get a little quick one in. This all good. Let's see.
So how much horsepower does this thing got?
It say 485, but my friend dynoed his, and he had some 22-inch wheels on his, but he put down 450. So
that to the ground, that's not bad.
Yeah,
that's not bad. even see that sign earlier when I was here, I don't think. I think we roll right through it.
Hey, y'all gotta excuse us for this, the AC blowing, because it's hot. We gotta let this car cool off. It's been sitting for a minute. What hot? It was 91 outside. That was a high temperature.
Yeah, it's hotter. I mean, I've just been sweating for days, but we're in August.
Facts.
We have, what, about another month and a half till it starts cooling down.
Damn, that's a long time.
Well, yeah, but you know, whenever September hits, I'm like, oh, it's gonna cool down. But no, it never really happens until October. Then you get those mornings and you're like, oh, it's nice.
Hey, and the way we ain't gonna talk about like the ecosystem and all that, because it's supposed to stay hot longer. It's crazy. But, you know, trying to keep that wind out y'all ears, you know what I'm saying? I know how that be when we watching the videos. Woo! Got the heebly-jeeblies.
Little tree. Little tree.
Gotta stay with one. You good, Peyton?
I'm fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I mean, for a 4-seater with 480 horsepower or whatever, that's awesome.
Facts.
That's awesome.
Quick little bang for your buck, you know what I'm saying? Full, and this, you know, this full of everything. Imagine if this thing was a butterfly like my friend zone with nothing inside.
So what, give me a rundown. So you got the Charger, and then this is a 392. What are the different, I don't get all the differences.
Okay, the Charger and the body size of Charger and Challenger. We call it weight class. You got the RT, the SRT, you got the SCATPACK, and then you know, it go Hellcat on down the line. But for the most part, I think it's the engine block and stuff. Because I think go get that real quick.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it goes pretty good. What do you think, Peyton? Remember that cop was up here earlier, but he's gone.
He's gone.
There ain't no cop up here. You know
that might be a cop.
How do you put your window down?
He ain't gonna look.
That old man over there, all he did was wave. He's like, I don't want any part of these guys over here.
He ain't gonna look.
Oh man.
But
it wants to go. I mean,
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
stay right there. Thank you.
what we're trying to do is we're trying to catch the ambulance up there. I don't know if anybody can see the ambulance. We're trying to catch the ambulance.
But yeah, man. So gang, y'all seen it, man. We done came, we saw, we conquered, man. Y'all did it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure you leave a like in the comment and the subscription. Go on, hit that bell notification, man. Look, don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. That's what my brother certified say all the time, and he's right, man. Support is free. It don't cost you nothing. Just click it, just click it. You're already watching the video. You might well make sure next time you come through, you watch another one. But we dropped the banger today. Y'all see, ooh, let me see. Lambo thing. Hey. Y'all see that thing though. Let me get that right there.
I've never, as I said earlier, I've never really been in one. And let me tell you one thing, guys. It is a heck of a lot of fun. That thing right there is a ripper. This guy right here knows how to drive.
Thank you.
Thank goodness he knows how to drive. I was a little questioning my sanity in this thing earlier. But man, it was a great time. I cannot imagine the power a Hellcat will put down.
Woo-wee.
It did work. It did really, really good. That Hellcat has got to be absolutely
Look,
great.
he put it.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do me one favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit those bell notifications. We really need that help. What do you think about that, Peyton? Now, is Savage your last name?
That's the last name for the brand. Pablo Savage is the brand, it's the company, everything. I'm just the face of it.
Okay.
So, oh yeah, I forgot to tell your subscribers if they want to get any type of merch, PabloSavage.com. You go on there. I got shirts, I got tank tops, coming with joggers and everything. So
You selling a pretty good bit of that stuff?
it's slow motion.
Right, but hey.
What it is, it's getting people to go to the website.
Right.
When I was doing it hand to hand, it was moving daily. I was just getting it in, getting it going. I was doing about 30 shirts a week.
Oh yeah.
So I'm about to go back to hand because, like I said, getting to the website is a headache.
Right.
But I need the website to get the traffic so that Google will start recognizing it, and you'll be able to find it easy.
They smarter than you.
Just get some stuff, just in case I miss something.
Pablo, we're gonna park these cars kind of in a leave yours there, kind of like a fan.
Okay.
So all the smoke kind of.
And some? Okay. I don't know what to tell y'all. I done ended 3 videos and I still feel like recording. This is crazy. Look at this, man. You got a lot of sauce right here, a lot of juice, a lot of running power, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can't hate on it. You know, Big Daytona made them purple things go crazy because you know purple and orange kind of match a little bit. That's actually the theme I was gonna put on my brake calipers, the purple to go with the Phoenix Suns theme. And I was like, ooh, don't do it, don't do it. But yes, this nice right here. Stranger danger.
Yeah,
Now tell them what it is. You got to dream it.
You gotta dream it to live.
There you go. You like it? All right, hold on, wait. Here we go. So y'all know the kids done pulled up on us. You know what I'm saying? He a big YouTube watcher. Tell him who you is, little brother.
I'm Cooper.
Cooper?
Yeah.
Out of these cars, you already told me which one, but you can tell my people. He ain't picked Big Daytona if y'all want to guess, but we gonna let him tell y'all. Which one you like the most? He's a Lamborghini guy. You see the Lambo guy? Yeah, man, I appreciate that though, man. They put up on us, they seen the cars, they want to get a couple pictures with the cars, man. It's all love, it's a faith, it's a love affair out here, man. We in these streets doing our thing. And you say your name Cooper? I appreciate you, Cooper, brother. You know what I'm saying? You doing your thing out here, hanging out. They saucing through the city. You gonna wave at the camera? Paying like these squatter trucks, so finna put it on camera. But I gotta get the content too. Mustang thing sound good. One more time, gang. shoot flames. I can eat a hit. What's up? What you trying to do? Pull up. He said go! He said go!